How to turn off general notifications on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on general notifications on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. And now scroll down and click on notifications. Scroll down again and you're gonna find general, and the first option you're gonna find show notifications. Now all you need to do is turn off this option or turn it on, whatever you want. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.